Alright guys, real quick, went to Harbor Freight today because they had a little disposal sale and I needed some drill bits just because I don't have very many. But I went ahead and picked up a couple other things. I like these, not so much for the magnifying glass, but for the, holding shit when you solder it. Good little investment. I think it was $3. Yeah, $3. I got this drill bit set, 29 piece, titanium. It's always nice to have one of these indexes. And that was $13.99, which wasn't really a whole lot off, but yeah, it's good enough. I got me a little stamping set because they're real small. They're 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch, so it helps stamping shit. Batteries for the old lady. Those were $4. Those are going to be free Father's Day, I think, or the 4th of July. And these were $11. Nut setters. 1/4 inch drive, magnetic nut sockets. Those are good. I think those were $5. Yeah. And then I picked up the trim set. $5 also. So yeah, altogether I think I spent like $42. Oh, I got a package of those towels for free, but my kids got those. Yeah, that's all of what I got. I didn't have a whole lot of time, so I didn't like rape them for free shit like you're supposed to do. But yeah, there's always next time. I'll show you what these look like. That's the number 3 there. It's 1/8 inch. Links in the description. Like, comment, share, subscribe. HardKnocksForge@gmail.com. Don't send me any panties because they never fit. Bonus content. There's a better look at those stamps. 36 of them. All of the alphabet and then the numbers. Well, except for 10. They just got 0. These are pretty slick little guys. They're also metric. I didn't see a standard set, but I'm sure they have them. Like I said, it was a quick trip. I didn't have a whole lot of time to dick around. Or I guess the ladies call it shop. I didn't have a whole lot of extra time to shop. Oh, bitch. Those there tilt up. Little ones. Got all the sizes marked on there. You can't see them very well. Gonna have to run over them with a fucking Sharpie or something to get them to stick out better. A little conversion chart in there. It's nice. They're all coated in some kind of oil. But yeah, for what they are, that's what they are. Drill bits. These, of course, China. They do feel pretty good plastic, though. Yeah, that's that. Oh, here's their 4th of July. 25% off, 20% off. That screwdriver, those towels again, flashlight. Father's Day. That 27 LED thing. Magnet, batteries, another 20% off. So it's like every other weekend they're having a, 3-day, 5-day sale. It's the summertime, lots of holidays, lots of good sales.